What's up, guys? How you doing? I hope you guys are cool. I just want to show you guys how you can make some nice looking tables using HTML and CSS. Now we have this table where the rows, some of the rows are colored and it makes it look nice. Okay, as you can see, we have the second color, the second rows, all the even rows in the table are colored. Is it pink? What color is this actually? Excuse me. Okay, this is just an example of what I'm about to show you. I know most of you have been trying to do some stuff like this, probably through CSS, and I'm gonna also show you that. And I'm also gonna show you how you can create a table where you will hover on a row and the color, the background color will change. Okay, for example, if I have a table like this and there is no background color on any rows. So when you just take your mouse and hover on the column, do you understand? Now the rows are gonna change. Sorry, the color, the rows. When you take a mouse to hover on a row, now the background color is going to change. Okay. Now you take you hover away, you move your mouse away from the first column, now the color is gonna go back to white. Do you understand? Stuff like this. This is just a simple code actually. That's what I'm going to be showing you now. Okay, the first one this, and the second one this. Okay, all right, now let's get back to CS and to a text editor, and let me get rid of all this so we can just start coding everything. I'll remove this. Okay, let me get rid of the styles. All right, now we now have, okay, let me get rid of this too. Okay, so you guys are gonna follow along. I will need to be fast a bit. All right, now we are trying to make a table that displays um rows in alternating colors, and a table where you also change the background color when you move your mouse over the rows. Okay, all right, now let's just start doing this. And first of all, we need to structure the table. We need a table, sorry, we actually need to close this. Now inside here we're gonna let's give the summary attribute. Sorry, I need to spell this correctly. Summary, list of new students, lists of new students. You can just name yours anything, okay? All right, I'll give it a class of a class. We're gonna use this class to style the table. For example, if you have different tables, if we have different tables, now this class will identify this particular one you want to style. We use this style to add styles. Use this class to add styles to a style to a table, a particular table. All right, let's give it a caption. Sorry, caption student list. All right, now let's start table row, close this tr. Okay, now we're gonna have a at th, that's table heading, table head. Okay. Now let's copy this and duplicate. How many do we need? It's like we're gonna need 4 of them. You're gonna need 4. Let's change this today. A scope, is an attribute. It's an attribute, just like class. It doesn't have a special meaning. We actually use it to style this table. Okay, you're actually using it to style the table. Okay, we're done with the table head. You can view that in the browser and see what's going to show up, come up. Okay. Sorry, I didn't save this. Alright, that's how it's gonna look at first, until when we start styling. I'm lazy, so I'm gonna copy this and duplicate this and change some things. Okay, so we're gonna have change them to td d. Let me just do this. Okay. Alright, now let's change this to the name of jailbreaks. You can name yours anything. Okay. The date they came to school, let's just say 2708 2708 1997. Class let's just say class 1. Class 1. And ID can be anything actually. 12009. So let's make copies of this. What do we have here? Let's check it out. Should I still use this? Okay, let me just change some of them, some of the data there, to William Smith. The next one, Jane Todd. Whatever. You can change this to Kylie Johnson. and sorry, Mac. Samuel Peters, changes to 1992, and this to 1990. Let's just make the table longer. Let me just duplicate this. Okay, so we are going to add a class to some of these rows, not the first one, just okay. The second row, this is the heading row. Actually, it's going to be the third row. Let's add a class to the third row. You're going to name it class alt row. Sorry, let's copy this. Okay, I think this should be all for now. Okay, let's head back to our CSS. Now okay, first of all, let's view how it looks like on the browser before we move to CSS to see the changes that's gonna take place after all. Okay, the CSS. First of all, let's give the body a font. Actually, body, a font style. Let's just say font family. I'm going to use a shorthand method at 0.8 m Arial. This is actually less than. This is actually less than the default value. Hell, vertica, sans serif. Okay. Alright, now let's check that out. We're gonna really check them one by one. Alright. Why do we make this 9? It's too small. Okay. Okay. Now data table. Data table. Let's give it a width of 80%. Margin, let's say auto, because I want it to be centralized. Okay, and what else? Border.